Welcome back to another video. This one we're doing some crack repairs, some serious crack repairs. Let me show you. This is what you call a nightmare repair. We just came in to do some cracks, fixing some cracks around the windows. It turned out to be much worse than what we thought. We've got a lot of flaking paint as well. Some really big cracks in this one. I'm going to show you in this video how to fix them from start to finish. This one has got to be the worst. Make sure you check out all the videos. I'll leave a link to the next video when it's out at the end of this video, so keep watching. Make sure you write in the comments how you do it, what you do. If you have cracks like this at your place, if you're looking for someone, make sure you go to global.maxkill.com. We're going to be using this Fiber Fuse Max over the top of these cracks, along with corner cement as well. We're going to pick up where we can some timber, put some screws in, another crack here and a crack here. It's fixed with mesh tape before. That's not going to do much. Flaking paint. So we're going to be peeling as much of that off as we can. Once it's all kind of like this, this is the product to use. Peel Stop Clear Binding Primer. You put it on, it penetrates through this layer of paint into the surface and it will glue it together. That's the plan. I hope it works. So hopefully we only have to prep up this area, peel stop it, and then it'll be fixed. I've got a lot of work right now to do to start fixing these cracks, so let's get this started and make sure you're tuned in for the whole video to see how it all turns out. You can find a tradesperson near you anywhere, actually, even in the USA, Australia, Brisbane, Sydney, Gold Coast. Check it out right now, global.maxkill.com. You can also post your jobs on there if you're looking for someone in your area. Post a job and someone will pick it up. So what we're doing is it's really a cosmetic fix, providing that the house has stopped moving. These cracks should be hidden, but if the house is still moving, then these cracks will not, this work that I'm doing will not hold the house from moving and the cracks reappearing. You can see we've got some old flaking here and here. We're hoping that it's gonna bind it. I mean, it's everywhere. So today we're gonna find out if this stuff really works. Not my drips there. Oh, here too. Not sure if you can see it. Come a bit closer. All of that. You don't necessarily need to peel stop the middle area, it's just the edges that we want to be getting so it stops peeling away. Hopefully it works. And I'll look through here. We can stop the rest from peeling. That's the aim of the game. Hopefully it works. That's that area done. Really only this area. Like, yeah, let's just wait till the end. Oh yeah, always is. Peel stop didn't work, and we'll just set all of this and then we'll roll for today.
Will we have enough flake to do all of the seals?
Yeah, I've got a fair bit, eh?
Yeah.
I'll check when we go downstairs.